Another day, another chance, another way, another dance. Today I'm discussing to you all about, another factor, that's pretty much gonna be a follow-up of what I was doing. Except it's gonna take a cool twist. So this is pretty much gonna continue what I was doing from like chapter 6, right? Except, you know, what we're gonna be doing is we're gonna be adding like an image to this thing, man. So that's what we're gonna be doing. So yeah. That's what chapter 7 is gonna be about. Uploading an image with Express. So that's pretty much what's gonna be happening. Uploading an image, using Express. So before I continue, talking, let me introduce you all to my navigator. His name is Savas or Savas Mobile. You know, so, so that's who he is, and he's gonna be navigating my video stuff. So without further ado, let's get started with stuff. Let's get started with this thing, man. So yeah. So as you can see here, you got Mongoid, right? So I started Mongo data. All the info in my background, like shading, network, storage, recovery, session name, so on and so forth. And then here's my database. It's MongoDB database. Gosh, my Mongo shell. I just generate these startup warnings when booting. Test DB, use my database. Switch to DB, my database, then my database. So this here, just in case I decide, instead of using my front end to add a new ID to my or new block to my database, I can make use of my server side by using my Mongo shell, to pretty much add, a new block to my database. That's pretty much what database is for. And it'll still pop up in my MongoDB compass. So that's what it is. So let's get to this. So what we have here is just same old stuff. It doesn't add on. So you can't require express, path, app, and EJS. View engine EJS, app that use express the static public. And body parser, require body parser. Body parser.json, body parser URL encoded, extended, which is boolean true. Then because mongoose equals require mongoose, blog post equals require modules.blog post, mongoose.connect MongoDB, localhost my database, express file upload, and then you got my server app listing on port 4000. Then you got pretty much the different get requests. With the get requests are parameters that pretty much request the URL or the HTTP response to visit a different URL, but within the same HTTP. So it's pretty much the same as what we discussed in the last chapter. So the difference is we've added in another set of coding called fixed file upload route. So what this does is it has a post request which asks you to like store, our image. So any image. Hmm, uh, So, so what happens is, you got app that posts. So what store does is pretty much stores all our images that we created, like this one here. These images were stored via that command. So if you don't have a requested files, or you don't have a requested files at image, then our console.log will return this. You pretty much return this. This response: no image uploaded. Return res.direct posts new. And also, what this does here, this code does here, is every time we make use or we make use of like our view here, and we try to add like an image, as I'll show you now, it'll be stored there, right? It'll just be stored there. Then cast image request that files that image, so on and so forth. Here you go, cast upload path. Cast image equals request that files that image. Right, so what will happen is we got another variable called cast upload path. Right, right, which path part that resolve, directory name, public image that name, right, right, so on and so forth. And then constant log saving file to upload path. Um, so yeah, that's pretty much we have saving file to upload path. So upload path, yeah. So it's pretty much the variable string that we have that's being referenced here. Then move file await image.env upload path, then save MongoDB document. So you can save it in the blog post that create. So image assets img. So obviously, for assets, assets emg, img, and then resurrect, catch error in post store, internal post, so on and so forth. So yeah, that's pretty much what we're dealing with here. Then redirect catch error, then rest status 500.send internal server error. So that catch, is when we catch an error and it's going to return 500, which means internal server error. So that means there's a problem with the server. So the reason why I unshared is because I'm going to be running my server now. So I just want to use as less time as possible, as minimal time as possible when I'm trying to upload everything. Thanks. Thanks for understanding. Appreciate that. Thanks. So as you can see here, I'll show you just now. So what I did was I did start Bootstrap. Let me just show it to you now. Actually, yeah, let me show it to you now. So you got create, right? So you got milliseconds. So you pretty much got the name, status type, initiator size, and time. There's no throttling because it's uncapped, so you won't run low on data. Right, so you pretty much got my app listening on port 4000,
Yeah.
unshare again because it's taking some time, but I'll just share it once again. Just now, don't worry about it. Right. Then you got create new posts. Right. So yeah, you're pretty much uploading an image with Express.
Mm.
So uploading an image with Express. Then unshare. Uploading. Right. So okay. So you got that.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
As you can see, you got choose file.
Click.
One. You got choose file.
Oh, there you go.
There you go. So as you can see here, it went to my storage.
Mm-hmm.
Download 3.jpg.
Mm-hmm.
As you can see, it's a store.
Mm-hmm.
The reason why I say store is because it was instructed to via the computer.
Mm-hmm.
And my views here. And then, here's my module for my blog posts.
Mm-hmm.
And so you see a date posted, username, body, title, string, what type of data it is,
Mm-hmm.
blog post schema. So on and so forth. You know what I mean?
Mm-hmm.
So that's what you're dealing with.
Yeah.
Still pending.
So then,
Yeah, I'm still there. It's just that, uh, my image path, gave me some, it gave me a
okay.
hassle. So I'm just trying to fix it.
Okay.
I'm just trying to fix it now.
Okay.
I pretty much made use of the. Oh, okay. Right. I see what's up now. Just some logistical issues that I ran into, but I fixed them all. Yeah. Create new posts. I have questions. I have answers.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, did that. Choose file. No file chosen.
Mm-hmm.
Choose a file. Yeah. And then you
Okay.
go to images, and then the image that I just uploaded, it gets stored there.
Mm-hmm.
Right? Async code in Node.js. I have no idea what I'm doing. As you can see the image there.
Yeah.
That's where you can see. Wait, let me show my screen again. The image has been stored there. As you can
Mm-hmm.
see, yeah, it's been stored. Yeah.
Okay.
So yeah, so yeah, so yeah.
Yeah.
Storage is what's being referred to here. So it's been stored there.
Mm-hmm.
But then for my next chapter, I'll be able, for my next chapter, I'll be able to have an
Mm-hmm.
instance where the picture will be able to be displayed in the background here. In the background here. As for now,
Yeah.
what we